Dumpster rental service in Venice, Florida. Are you tackling a home renovation, managing a construction project, or clearing out clutter in Venice, Florida? Big Dawg Dumpsters is here to provide top-notch dumpster rental services, making waste disposal simple and stress-free. As a locally owned and veteran-operated business, we understand the unique needs of homeowners, contractors, and business owners in the Venice area. Choosing the right dumpster size is essential for efficient waste removal. Our 15-yard dumpsters are perfect for medium-sized projects such as home cleanouts and remodeling jobs, while the 20-yard dumpsters handle larger construction debris and extensive cleanups with ease. No matter the scale of your project, our dumpsters are designed to accommodate household junk, construction materials, yard waste, and storm debris, allowing you to focus on the task at hand while we handle the disposal. Big Dawg Dumpsters is committed to responsible waste management, adhering to local regulations and eco-friendly disposal practices. Our straightforward rental process and transparent pricing ensure there are no hidden fees, just reliable service from start to finish. Renting a dumpster has never been easier, and our knowledgeable team is always ready to assist with expert advice. Call Big Dawg Dumpsters today at 743-244-3294 to book your rental and experience hassle-free waste removal in Venice, Florida.